Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi Map. First, download the Wi-Fi Map application from your device's App Store, available on both iOS and Android platforms. Next, enable location services for the app to accurately detect nearby networks within a radius of several hundred meters. Finally, create a free account or log in to access all the powerful features, including community-contributed passwords and offline map capabilities. This ensures you're ready to find internet access anywhere. Once the app is open, you'll see a map displaying available Wi-Fi hotspots around your current location. Simply tap on any hotspot icon to view essential details, such as the network name, often referred to as the SSID, and the password. With this information, you can then connect to the selected network directly from your device's settings. The app provides millions of hotspots globally, making it easy to stay connected. To enhance the Wi-Fi Map community, you can easily contribute by adding new Wi-Fi networks you discover, sharing their names and passwords. It's also crucial to update existing network information, like changed passwords or precise locations, ensuring accuracy for everyone. If you encounter incorrect or outdated hotspot details, please report them within the app. Your contributions help maintain a reliable database of over 100 million hotspots worldwide. For advanced usage, consider utilizing the Offline Maps feature, allowing you to find Wi-Fi even without an internet connection, perfect for travel. You can also filter networks by type, such as free or paid, to quickly locate suitable options. Additionally, saving frequently used networks ensures easy access in the future, streamlining your connection process. These features make finding and using Wi-Fi incredibly efficient and convenient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.